We are going to begin the chemistry chapter of class 11. First of all, we are going to the definition of chemistry. What is chemistry? We can simply say that chemistry is the branch of science that is dealing with the composition, structure, properties of matter. ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखिए composition मतलब किसमें कितनी चीज़ें, कौन सी चीज़ें हैं, ये structure उसमें atoms के बीच में bonding कैसी होगी, है ना, how which type of bonding will be there, which type of structure will be there, and the properties, what are the properties of a particular chemical substance, like that. So all we know that whatever things are there that occupies space and has mass is called matter. So we can say chemistry is the branch of science. It deals with composition, structure and properties of substances of matter or matter. Now chemistry is again divided into many parts. First of all, organic chemistry is there, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, nuclear chemistry, industrial chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry. These are the main branches. For example, organic chemistry. It is the chemistry of carbon and hydrocarbon compounds. ठीक है, कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन से बनने वाले कंपाउंड्स को हम स्टडी करते हैं. इन जनरल प्लांट मैटर, एनिमल, ये सब चीज़ें ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में आती हैं. देन नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ केमिस्ट्री इज इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. इट स्टडीज ऑल द कंपाउंड्स एक्सेप्ट कार्बन कंपाउंड्स और हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. उसके अलावा जितने भी कंपाउंड्स हैं उसको हम इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ते हैं. फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री की बात करते हैं. हियर वी विल फाइंड आउट दैट व्हाट इज़ द heat exchange, what is the entropy, what is the heat in how much heat is evolved, how much heat is absorbed. All these data we will study in physical chemistry, we can say. Industrial chemistry will deal with different aspects of the industries. For example, it will be polymer industry for polymers, like this. Different type of industry. Paper industry के लिए पेपर के उसके लिए chemistry होगी अलग. So analytical chemistry medicinal के लिए अलग. Now if we talk about analytical chemistry, this is in this type of chemistry we analyze the different chemical substance. For example, here we will analyze not only the plant products or the flowers or the leaves, in which we will find out that what are the chemicals, what are the elements present and which amount is present of each one. But we can if we have to find out the blood composition or any other thing, then also we will analyze this in the study. Analysis will be done in the analytical chemistry. Okay, here we will learn different methods of analysis of any chemical substance. Then if we talk about biochemistry, what is biochemistry? Biochemistry is the branch of chemistry in which we study all the biological reactions that are taking place in our body. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर या फिर किसी एनिमल बॉडी के अंदर जितने भी बायोलॉजिकल केमिकल रिएक्शंस हैं, बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस, उनको स्टडी करते हैं. लेट अस टॉक अबाउट न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री. व्हाट इट इज़? न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री मीन्स यहाँ हम पढ़ेंगे. हियर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट न्यूक्लियर फिशन, न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन एक्सेट्रा, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शंस. नाउ देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैटर. They are divided broadly into two types: physical properties of matter and chemical properties of matter. Okay, what are physical properties? अभी तक physical change, chemical change हम पढ़ते थे, but what are physical properties and chemical properties? Physical properties are measured without changing the identity or composition of the substance. For example, color, order, melting point, boiling point and density. Chemical properties, if we talk about, they are measured by changing identity or composition. For example, if we have to study the acidity of a substance or the basicity of the substance or the combustibility of the substance, we will have to change its identity. So all these properties are called chemical properties. So this was the first page, we can say, the few topics of first chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope that you have understood this video. So please